Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening.
How many people are there?
Just one person.
Please come this way. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of water.
Sure. Are you ready to order food?
Not yet. I need a few minutes.
No problem. I will come back in a moment. Are you ready to order now?
Yes. What do you recommend?
Our special today is grilled chicken with vegetables and rice.
That sounds good. I will have the grilled chicken.
Would you like soup or salad with that?
I would like tomato soup, please.
Good choice. Anything else?
Yes, one glass of orange juice.
Sure. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this English practice, please like the video and subscribe for more daily conversations.